Welcome back. In this video I would like to add another button to our game over end screen here, because currently if we look at it, let me activate it, we only have the play again button. I would like to also have a button that sends me back to the main menu scene. So I would like you to try to implement this yourself. So pause the video and go ahead and try that. Okay, so I hope you tried it. I'm just going to duplicate the replay button. I'm going to call this one main menu button, like so. And now this main menu button should also use the game manager, but it should not use the restart method, but instead it should create, well, it should move over to the main menu. So let's create a new method, public void back to main menu, like so. And what it will do is it will simply use the scene manager to load the scene 0. And also we should make sure that the time scale is being set back to 1, because, well, endgame stops it or sets it to 0 and we need to set it to 1 again. Okay, at this point, let's go ahead and save this script and try it. Okay, therefore we need to make sure that this main menu button here also gets a different position. So let me move it somewhere else. I'm going to move it a little further down here. And let's use -250 in my case, should be fine. Let me change the text of it. So it should say something like back to main or to menu. It should be fine. Or main menu, not sure if that's good. Back to menu should be okay. Then it also fits into the button size, otherwise we would have to change the button size and all of that stuff. So now let's just make sure that this button here is not going to use the restart method, but instead is going to call the back to main menu, this one here. Okay, and now let's test it. Well, actually, we need to make sure that first of all the end screen is deactivated by default. All right, now let's test it. Let's get killed by zombies. And this would be a lot easier or faster if we had less health or the enemy would do more damage. So, kill me, there we are. Now let's go back to the main menu. And there we are. Now let's play, and it works. So now we have a working game, even though there are still a bunch of things that we can improve. But overall, the game is working. We have a shooting system. We have running enemies with animations. We have rounds. We have a jumping feature, a little map, and so forth.